We are also kind of staying at Beach Club. We have some friends and family who are staying in, so we wanted to get a quick tour of their room and what it looks like. So it's a little different than the Yacht Club, but it's similar layout, so we'll just go at it. Here is the entryway. Entryway is a bit different, but here's your coffee, mini fridge. It's actually a mini fridge and not a cooler like the other ones say. Then here, because it's all up top, some artwork. Next to that is an entryway closet, in the wall safe, coat rack, luggage area, extra blanket. Don't see an ironing board, but they have an iron up there. Here is the bathroom. This one doesn't have a door like the Yacht Club does. And this is all there is for lighting too. And this one has a tub instead of just a regular shower. It's a nice shower. And that is the dispensers we're using. Not too bad. Coming out of here, nice little luggage or seating area if you don't need to put on your shoes. Pretty nice little entertainment area and storage. TV with names. There's the beds. See some more artwork. It's definitely Beach Club artwork. I'm sure that Sunday is from Beaches and Cream. Still lofted beds that we're used to. Just great for storing luggage. Starfish pull out. This is kind of cool. It's definitely unique. I haven't seen anything like this. I actually really like it. If you need to charge phones and put stuff up here, that's pretty awesome. There's some more. That is the Beach Club side of the shared pool. Here's a fold down couch. Some beach ball pillows. Desk area. Here's this version of the pull-out desk. Something that is really cool and unique is that since it's the first floor, there's a patio, but you'll see that this patio has a walkway, and at the end of the walkway is the bridge over to Epcot. This is one of the closest rooms that you can get to a gateway, park gateway at Walt Disney World. So we're really just a few rooms down from the closest room that you can get. So that's something really cool, unique about staying here is how close you are to Epcot. It is awesome. Karen and we met some friends in the parks. The boys stayed back with some other people, and we were able just to go back and forth quite a bit. It is from our room to Guardians of the Galaxy took me 15 minutes. So I mean, you can really get in and out of the park through International Gateway really quick. We also have extended hours since it's deluxe resort, and we're able to basically have the park to ourselves, ride everything we wanted to ride, and it's awesome for being so close. If you want to do Epcot a lot, it is really awesome. This is just a really nice resort. It's kind of big. Everything's kind of shared with Yacht and Beach Club together, but the restaurants are great. They have characters, lots of activities around the pool. The pool's huge. It's fantastic. The service is great. Everything's nice and clean. Everybody's friendly. So it's really, can't say enough nice things about it. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this part of the room tour. See you later.